guys? We're back, and we're here with part 2, and I forgot to cover some things in part 1. You'll get a properties file and your server setup folder, wherever you put that, and usually if this is your first time opening a .properties file, you go to open with and you choose any text editor of your choice. In my case, I'll choose Notepad and press OK, and it'll open up the server properties. And you could go ahead and mess with all of these, but do not alter the server port, and do not alter the server IP. Keep it like that. So yeah, and you get to mess with like PvP, which is player versus player, difficulty. Yeah, you get to mess with that. Game mode, 1 would be creative, max players, too much would be more RAM, view distance, all of that stuff. And you could also, I'm not too sure about the enable query, but flight is like where everyone could fly, allow nether. These are all pretty straightforward. And over here, down here, where's MOTD, that's message of the day. So you could go ahead and say this, like, welcome to my survival server, or whatever. Server, whatever you want to put that. So I guess I'll keep that. Doesn't really matter. And yeah, that's how you alter that stuff. Now we're gonna go ahead and open up Chrome. You get to use Internet Explorer. It doesn't really matter. And we're gonna keep that there, and we're gonna also open up CMD, or command prompt. And what you do here is, in command prompt, you type in IP space config config, and that's it. You press enter. My bad, guys. It's no spaces. I like that. And you're looking for your default gateway. So in this case, mine's 1.192.168.2.1. So keep this open, and go ahead and go to your browser and go to and type the default gateway in. So I'm gonna go and type that in, and it brings us to your router page. Now guys, listen to me, and listen to me good. We all have different routers, and we all have different model numbers, and they're all different. Every website of this, every gateway, when you type it in, it's all different. I'm gonna show you guys a website, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. It's gonna tell you, it's gonna give a list of all your router manufacturers and their model numbers, and it'll help you set up Minecraft server and how to do that exactly. But if you're running on a Belkin, I'll show you what to do here. You go to virtual servers. Right now I don't have a password on my router, and you type in Minecraft or whatever. It's easy to remember if you type in Minecraft, and you put 25565. You put TCP and UDP, and for the private port 25565. Like it says in the server properties right here, 25565, the server port. And let's see, what am I forgetting here? Make sure it's TCP and UDP, the type. Yeah, and also why I put 3 here is, in the command prompt, you're gonna look for your IPv4 address. That's your IP that your default gateway uses for your computer or something like that, and you take that number, the last digit, in this case mine's 3, and you plug that in right there. If it asks for an IP address, which it most likely will. So you go ahead and apply changes and all of that. But you guys are probably wondering, like, where's my router, begestly? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. So you go to this website called PortFowarding.com. And while that loads up, alright, let me go ahead and X this out. Okay, so once you get to this website, the link will be in the description, of course. I like to give you guys links. Alright, so you go ahead and go to your router list. Once it's done loading, because I'm running a lot of stuff in the background. Okay, router list, go ahead and click that. And then it'll bring you to this gigantic page full of every single router name and all the model numbers. So in the orange, it displays your model numbers. And so firstly, you're gonna go ahead and find your router manufacturer, and most cases it's Linksys, Belkin, which is down here. Let's see, Belkin here, and where your model number is located, it's probably under your router on like a sticker, and you'll find that and you'll press one of these. So I'm gonna go ahead and find mine. I'm gonna look at my model number here. So in this case mine's F6D4230. So F6D4230 version 3, but it doesn't have it. So I'm gonna use this one because I upgraded my router, so it's like that. And you're gonna come to this. You just press skip. Click here to skip advertisement. And now this is where you choose what game you want to port forward. So you could go ahead. Oh yeah, before I do that, right here is your external IP. This is what you'll use for if your friends want to connect to your server. They'll type this in and they'll connect to your server. Obviously if you type in my IP, it's not gonna work because I'm not running the server forever. I'm just showing you guys for the sake of the tutorial. And you scroll down until you find Minecraft server. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my cheaty way and type in Minecraft server, and there it is, Minecraft server. You click that. Once you have your router, model number and everything, you clicked, and you scroll down, and it tells you step by step in pictures and paragraphs. It's perfect, guys. You can't miss out, and it'll tell you exactly how. See, it looks exactly like the way I did. So as you can see, it's done. And once you've done that, you go ahead and open up Minecraft. You go to server and you type in that external IP I just showed you. You find that out by going to mywanip.com. There's a lot of them. There's like IP check and all of that, and this will be your IP address. So yeah, it'll show in that text box, and that's it. You're done basically. You put that in the Minecraft multiplayer screen, and friends could join, but make sure you have the server up, like it's running. They can't join without that being running. And make sure your computer can handle it, or you'll get several errors on that part. So like I said, guys, we're finished with the series here. This series, I guess you'd call it. So yeah, I hope this helped you create your Minecraft server for 1.0. If you guys would be ever so kind to give this video a like and a thumbs up, same thing. And if you could subscribe, that would be awesome if you guys do that. So yeah, if you guys need help, leave a comment or private message me, PM, whatever. And yeah, my name is Begestly, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys.